so we're doing that.
Yeah, I mean
That's a big one, huh?
yeah, that's huge. Yeah.
That's big.
Yeah.
I think just this one, yeah. So we're doing a resonator delete here. That's his front pipe. Yeah, that's nice. Should sound good. And that's his mufflers in the back right here. This resonator is huge. I think this one's done. It's coming down. Finally, look at those wheels. I'm about to go in and hear it. So we did the resonator delete for this one. It was still quiet, and so we're gonna go ahead. The team's gonna take the mufflers off too. Check this out. So we're gonna put resonator muffler delete on 2021 Toyota Camry XSE. We'll see how that sounds, guys. Stay tuned and keep watching. You're like 4,000 RPM.